Hi, Josh Volkowski with Stursky Equipment in Antigo. We just got done using our New Holland C332 track loader this afternoon, and we were able to put the CID tiller on there and till up a little fall plot. It was a 4-year-old piece of clover plot that offered actually a pretty decent hard ground to test the endurance of the CID tiller, and it really did a nice job. Jacob Koski from Antigo store was out as well with us, and we got to kind of see the differences between operating that tiller going forward, reverse, forward rotation, and reverse rotation, and got to see how that responded in that clover ground. And we did notice there was a little benefits to doing each. In the end, the going reverse seemed to offer a better tilled up ground, and actually really did a nice job tilling up all that clover. So once we had it up, tilled up really nice, we went through and cultipacked it with our New Holland Workmaster tractor, which afterwards we went ahead and seeded with the time brine fall plot mix, which is a blend of different brassicas and radishes and turnips. The tiller that we used from CID, it did a great job breaking up that ground, and it offered a really nice base for our seed, for a seed bed. We did a cultipack. We cultipacked the plot and seeded it down, and it really did a nice job. As soon as we got that done, we got some rain in the evening. We also got some fertilizer down.